The Rule Manager is here to help you design any rule you want. This is one of the most important features of NakedMarkets. It's the place where you can define, edit and create all setup, entry or exit rules. You can open it by double-clicking on one rule or from the Rules menu. Here, we can see the two main categories of rules. First, the default rules. These are the native rules, provided by NakedMarkets. They can be used to set up your conditions through price values, price patterns, price breakouts, indicators, order modifications, actions, and so on. These rules are the foundation of every other rules you want to design. Secondly, the user rules. The user rules are defined by you. These are your own rules. They rely on the default rules and potentially on other user rules. They are organized in a folder tree where you can move and rename any of them, contrary to the default rules. We'll focus on the user rules for a moment. First, the setup rules. They are used to define your own market conditions, based on indicator values, price patterns or values, logical comparisons, and so on. Once filled, you can pause the backtest to evaluate the setup or automatically enter the market. Secondly, the entry rules. They are used to define the way you want to set an order, based on indicators or prices values, for example. It can be instant, pending, limit or stop orders, with your own calculated values for the stop loss, take profit and execution price. The lot size calculation can be based on the risk percentage. Finally, the exit rules. They are used to define the way you want to exit the market, still based on your own dynamic values, for example. Any trailing exit strategy can be defined, like indicators-based exits or price-based exits. It allows you to close the order or change the stop-loss value during the order lifespan. There is another special kind of rule. The core rules. They are used to define any value or any condition you want. They can be included in any of the setup, entry, or exit rules. The core rules are aimed to simplify the organization of your rules. With these four kinds of rules, you can define a 100% automated system without coding skills. Or they can be used to assist your manual and semi-automated backtest to save a lot of time.